I picked up a electronics breadboard from BOJACK, BOJACK. Haven't used that before. Used a lot of breadboards in my day, and teaching a class we're going to be doing some electric circuits, so needed to have another breadboard on hand and some test leads here just to make life a little easier. And actually, I thought it was just one, but this is even better because now I got lots of little ones I can. All right, so I thought this was just a single kit. This is perfect. And I think these actually clip together. I'll have to see. Looks like maybe they can pull that bottom out. They slip in here together. Yep. Nice. So we got some adhesive on the back. Clip these together. Trying to think if it looks like I guess these can also clip onto here. So desire. So there's all the leads, and then there's that. So 73 pieces. Yeah, I thought it was just one big breadboard. So this is definitely a bonus. Don't know if I really need the sticky back kind of thing, but you might mount it on something else, hold other sort of things if you so desire, and lots of leads, different lengths, including some really, really long ones here. And various color choices. And so, you got your common up and down on the sides, and then everything in the middle here should connect together. I assume that's what these will do here is all just be connected together, but I will try a few out and make sure they work okay. Size-wise, we're a little at 2¼ inches almost here, and that's what are we going to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7½ inches or so there. Your normal breadboard kind of thickness here. Pretty straightforward to connect things together. So we do a little testing and make sure everything's good. Hope that helps you so far. All right, so I just did a crazy, silly little circuit here. 12 volt coming in, and just going from one bus here to testing out one of these boards here, running the negative over here to power this LED, hopping over here to go through and power that LED, similar with the positive, just running up here just to test out different areas, test out that little board, nothing in here obviously, so just testing that these things sort of do what they're supposed to do. No big shocker there. That is their mission in life. So just kind of is that me or the lead? Also could be up on that, but I guess it's right there. So that one's a little less than solid, but so doing what it should, and obviously not conducting on anywhere it shouldn't, but that's the idea of the breadboard, is to be able to have multiple connections on there and be able to plug these anywhere up your positive and negative leads here, and quickly put together circuits. So seems to be working. Hope that's a helpful look. Hope you have a great day. Take care.